Yanhua Module 37 for MB HU6 ODO IC177. Mileage correction coming soon. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for everything on automobile diagnostics. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you enjoy the content, a super thanks would mean the world to us. Let's get started. Yanhua ACDP Module 37 announcement. Release date: mid-January 2025. Purpose: exclusive mileage correction for Mercedes-Benz HU6 instrument module IC177. Models using the chip are 7F701403. Supported functions: mileage correction, compatible with IC177-based HU6 instrument clusters for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Supported chips are 7F701403. Method: works via OBD+ICP, integrated circuit programming for secure and reliable modification. Supported Mercedes-Benz models: 1. W247, A-Class, B-Class, CLA, GLA, GLB, 2019 onward. 2. W177, CLA, GLA, 2019 onward. 3. W167, GLE, GLS, 2019 onward. 4. W213, E-Class, CLS, 2020 onward. 5. H243/X243, EQA, EQB, 2021 onward. Steps to perform mileage correction. 1. Access via Mini ACDP App. Menu path: Benz HU6 module IC177 ODO are 7F701403. 2. Procedure overview. Step 1. OBD identify. Connect to the vehicle via OBD to identify the module. Step 2. OBD+ICP reset mileage. Perform both OBD and ICP operations to reset the mileage. Step 3. Original module reset mileage. Modify the original module data for correct mileage input. Step 4. OBD backup data. Save existing data as a backup. Step 5. ICP modify data. Adjust mileage data using ICP programming. Step 6. OBD modify KM. Finalize changes and verify updated mileage. Key features: worldwide exclusive. The only module supporting HU6 IC177 mileage correction. Wide compatibility. Works with ACDP1 and ACDP2 devices for seamless integration. Effortless operation. Menu-guided steps ensure precision and ease of use. For inquiries or to pre-order, contact Yanhua Tech or your local distributor. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. If you'd like to show extra support, go ahead and tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing!